What a perfect day for a run! Let's race to the fence!
I'm right behind you.
Yeah!
What a beautiful view. Just look at this.
Yes, I've been so happy.
Living.
Exactly, I feel the same.
Have sweet dreams.
You too. Love you, honey. The animals, they're not in the shelter.
What? They're gone! I need to call the police. Hello, police officer. Someone has stolen all the animals from my farm. Oh no, I'm very sorry to hear that. We're coming right away.
Attention all units. Farm animals have been stolen. Please stay alert and assist immediately.
Can you tell us about your animals? Yes, all of our animals see them. Last night, before we went to bed. Please don't worry. All our police units have been informed. Thank you. I really hope you find them soon. I'm very worried about my animals.
Is that a cow and a bull in that truck?
Yes, and they're looking right at us. Look, that truck has animals on it.
I see it. Pulling them over now.
They're stopping.
Good. Let's go.
Highway police, listen. We are following an animal truck on the highway. It is not stopping. Please stop it on the flyover.
Pull over now! We have to stop! Hands up! You're under arrest! All right, let's check on them. They look a bit shaken, but okay.
They seem fine, no injuries.
Good. Let's report it. We have caught the thieves, and all the animals are safe.
We have caught the thieves, and all the animals are safe. That's a relief.
Thank you, officers.
We have brought your animals back safely. Thank you.
So much for catching the thieves so quickly and bringing our animals back to us.
We're just happy we could help, sir. Take care. Thank you, officer. We really appreciate it. Anytime. Come here, buddy. I missed you.